Welcome to Tech AI. Today, I will show you how to create a Google account using your Android device. Let's walk through the process together. To begin, open the Play Store on your Android device. If you are creating your first account, you will find the Sign In option there. Alternatively, if you already have an account and want to create a second one, click on your profile icon and select Add Another Account from the drop-down menu. Next, you will be prompted to enter details to create your account. Click on Create Account located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Choose whether you are creating the account for personal or business use. Then, enter your first name and last name. Once done, proceed by clicking Next. You will then need to provide additional details such as your birthday and gender. Create a unique Gmail address for signing in to your Google account. After entering this information, set up a strong password for your account and choose whether to save it to your password manager. Scroll down to review and agree to Google's terms of service by clicking I agree. Then your account will be created. You can confirm this by clicking on the profile icon and checking the drop-down menu, where you will find your new account listed. Finally, to ensure your account is accessible across Google services, close the Play Store and open the Gmail app. You will see here your newly created account available for use. And that's it. You have successfully created a Google account on your Android device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.